Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your TikTok password. So let's get into it. First of all, launch the TikTok app on your device. Tap Profile in the bottom right. Tap the three-line icon in the top right. Tap Settings and Privacy. Select Account. Tap on Password. The app will then send a 6-digit verification code to the mobile number registered on it. Input the verification code in the provided field. This will lead you to the Change Password screen where you can input your desired new password. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.